Oop, there's my go fly. That's what we've been waiting for. And we're connected. Oh, look at that. Connected right away. We don't want to update the firmware right now, right? So everything's connected. We were able to get everything connected a while ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and go fly. Beginner's mode. All right, I'm game. So I believe we are.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Ooh, home point has been updated. Oh, I think that was a picture. I want to record. We are in full record. Okay. What's next? I think we're going to. Oh, we gotta. Oh, look at that.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Turning. Going forward. Ooh, I can feel the breeze from here. So let's go up. I think this one has some bigger lights than the other one. So, it's drifting. I think it's my hands on these. So we'll go forward a little bit. So now we're looking at the screen. I'm gonna go up a little bit more, get up over those trees. And I think
maximum flight altitude reached.
I think I'm in beginner mode, so I think it only goes up so far, which is fine because that allows us to see. Oh, that's I want to turn that way. There we go. So we're looking at the same thing that we were before. Down, so there's the fires. We're out that direction over the weekend. Alright, so there we're pointed south. The sun is out right now. Let me just get back in the shade here. Okay, so I'm going to return home. Not sure if it's doing anything. Return home there. Slide to return
landing.
Home. Maybe that's beginner's mode. I have to. So it just came straight down. I'm waiting to see if it'll come back to that plywood. It said the home base was updated. So it just stops right there. So then it's probably waiting for instructions from me. Confirm to land. No, I don't want to land. Cancel the land. We're going back up. And then we're gonna back up. We're gonna land. So now I'm gonna get over that board just for fun. And now I'm gonna press return home. Yes.
Landing. And
then it's gonna go down. And then now I'm going to let it land.
Landing.
And it lands all by itself. Nice. We are one successful flight. So the blades have stopped. So let's just do one more small flight.
Take off.
So
The home point
when I
has
take
been
off, it's just
updated.
going to hover
Please
right
check
there.
it on the map.
So it says home point is updated. So it could be home point as in within 100 yards. So I've got to read into that, because I would hate to think that, you know, if I get in a little bit more congested environment, even though this is a pretty congested environment, I have this opening right here. But if I have buildings and such, you know, what is it going to land on somebody's roof? So I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos, but you know that I crashed the drone. I basically got under oh, it's telling me there's something close. So there's the pine tree that I pressed return home on my other unit, and it goes up to 45 or 90 feet, I can't remember which, and then returns home. So if I press return home right now, it's going to want to land over there, I bet.
Landing.
Yep, nope, it's just landing wherever. Maybe, so there must be a setting somewhere, so I'm gonna dive into that. So I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm gonna bring it back over here to the board. There's the board. So then I can manually land. I can manually land, just press it down, and once it's down, it stops. Nice. There we are.